This is our reflection of Group 1, 3 Echo. Forms of executive clemency. It refers to reprieve, absolute pardon, conditional pardon, with or without parole condition and commutation of sentence as may be granted by the President of the Philippines. Executive clemency, ito ay kapatawaran na binibigay ng Pangulo with or without condition granted by the President of the Philippines. In executive clemency, there are 4 forms of executive clemency. First is pardon, second amnesty, third reprieve, and last is commutation of sentence. Pardon. Pardon, it is an act of grace granted by the executive to a convicted offender by means of removing his criminal liability. So, ang pardon po is forgiveness or pagpapatawad ng Pangulo sa nagawa mong kasalanan. Ito ay act of grace or awa or biyaya na bigay ng Pangulo sa convicted offender na may final judgment or nasasentensyahan pa lang or may sentence na. There are 2 types of pardon, which is absolute and conditional pardon. Absolute pardon, it is the total extinction of the criminal liability of the individual to whom it is granted without any condition whatsoever resulting to the full restoration of his civil rights. So, ang absolute pardon daw po ito ay totally forgive ka na sa nagawa mong kasalanan or totally malaya ka na without any condition pero meron ka pang civil liability.
This is our reflection about conditional pardon. Conditional pardon, it is the conditional exception of a guilty offender for the punishment imposed by court. So, ibig sabihin po ma'am, ang conditional exemption daw po ay isang guilty o pagkakasala ng offender na kailangang ipataw ng korte. Under the obligation to comply strictly with the condition implied, therein otherwise can be revoked. So, ibig sabihin po, sa obligasyon naman po, mahigpit na kailangan nating sumunod sa ipinapahawatig dito or kung hindi man ay maaaring bawiin ang ilang parol or ang probation. Some as a parole and probation that have condition but only differs in granting authority, which is the President condition like no right to stoppage and no right to travel abroad. So, ibig sabihin po ng conditional pardon, kung baga ito yung to forgive na yung convicted offender ng ng presidente. For example po, bawal siyang bumoto or bawal rin siyang maglakbay or lumuwas sa ibang bansa. Prisoner who was served at least 1/2 of the maximum of the original indeterminate and or definite prison term. For example, former President Joseph Ernesto Estrada from the reclusion perpetua, pardoned by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo of 2007.
Amnesty ay tinutukoy bilang isang pagpapatawad na pinapaabot ng pamahalaan sa isang grupo o klase ng mga tao kadalasan para sa isang politikal na pagkakasala. Ang pagkilos ng isang pinakamataas na kapangyarihan na opisyal na nagpapatawad sa ilang uri ng mga tao na napapailalim sa paglilitis ngunit hindi pa nahahatulan. Yung procedure po ng amnesty ma'am, ang presidente lang ang maaaring magproklama nito. Ang aplikante ng amnesty ay kailangang akuin na siya ay nagkasala at ang committee nito ay mag-aaralan ang aplikasyon. Ibibigay ito sa Comelec upang makapagbigay sila ng kanilang komento tungkol dito. At ang ad hoc committee ay irerekomenda ito sa presidente at kailangan po ay ang kongreso ay naayon sa anumang mangyayaring proklamasyon.
What is amnesty? An act of sovereign power granting oblivion or general pardon for a past offense is usually granted in favor of certain classes of people who have committed crimes of political character such as treason, sedition, and rebellion. So, ito daw po ay ang batas kung saan ang nakakataas ay may kapangyarihan upang magbigay ng pardon. At ito ay binibigay lamang sa mga taong napatunayan na nagkasala sa batas habang sila ay nanunungkulan sa gobyerno at sa krimen na katulad ng pagtataksil sa gobyerno, sedisyon, at ang pakikisa sa rebellion. It is a special form of pardon exercised by the President of the Republic is amnesty. Amnesty is general pardon extended to a certain class of people who are usually political offenders. So, ito daw po ay isang espesyal na uri ng pardon na pagpatawad ng gobyerno sa mga nagkasala na ipinapatupad ng pinuno ng republika. Ang amnesty ay isang uri ng pardon kung saan ay maaari lamang na mabigyan ito ay ang mga politician o political offenders lamang. Bago ito maibigay, kinakailangan muna itong dumaan sa Kongreso at kumpirmahin ng Presidente. So, ang procedures of amnesty: Presidential Proclamation of Amnesty. Applicant of amnesty must admit his guilt. Ad hoc committee review the application. Application referred to Secretary of National Defense or COMELEC as the case may be for comment. Ad hoc committee recommends the President and Congress must concur with the proclamation. So, ang proseso daw po ng amnesty ay una, ipoproklama lamang ito ng Presidente ng bansa. Pangalawa, ang aplikante nito ay kinakailangan umamin na siya ay talagang nagkasala sa batas. Pangatlo, at ang aplikasyon na ito ay pag-aaralan ng ad hoc committee. Pang-apat, kinakailangan dito ang komento o pahayag ng COMELEC. Pang-lima, ang COMELEC ay irerekomenda ito sa Presidente. At pang-anim, kinakailangan ang Kongreso ay sumang-ayon sa proklamasyon ng Presidente.
Reprieve is applied to death sentence already affirmed by the Supreme Court, but can also be invoked in other cases that have become final. Reprieve is the temporary stay of the execution of a sentence. Like pardon, the President can only exercise reprieve when the sentence has become final. Generally, reprieve is extended to death penalty prisoner. The date of execution of sentence is temporarily postponed indefinitely to enable the chief executive to truly study the petition of the condemned man for commutation of sentence or pardon. Maiging tandaan na ang reprieve ay hindi pagtanggal ng parusang death penalty, kundi temporaryo lamang na pagsuspindi ng parusang death penalty. A death penalty sentence shall be suspended when the accused is woman while pregnant and in 1 year after the delivery, person over 70 years old of age, in cases wherein the convicted prisoner becomes insane before the actual date of execution.
One of the forms of executive clemency is the reprieve. So reprieve is a formal temporary stay or temporary suspension of the execution of sentence, especially sentence of death. Reprieve is a delay of punishment of a convicted offender. Ang reprieve ay hindi pagtatanggal ng parusa sa isang convicted offender. Ito ay postponement ng punishment sa isang convicted offender. So, ang reprieve nga ay hindi na maramdaman sa Pilipinas dahil sa Republic Act 9346, an act prohibiting the imposition of death penalty in the Philippines.
Commutation of sentence. It is granted by the President. It is reducing or mitigating a heavier sentence to a lighter one, or a longer term into a shorter term. It may alter death sentence to life sentence or life sentence to a term of years. Ibig sabihin, ipapababa ang ibinigay na sentensya. Kung ano ang ibinigay sa korte na original sentence, may posibilidad ito na palitan or ibaba ng Presidente by commutation of sentence. Halimbawa, death penalty to life imprisonment. Specific cases where commutation is provided for by the code. When the convict sentence to death is over 70 years at age, pwedeng makommute ang sentence kapag ang nagrantan o nabigyan ng death sentence ay 70 years old and above. When 10 justices of the Supreme Court failed to reach a decision for the affirmation of death penalty. Kapag hindi nakapag-declare or hindi nag-agree yung 10 justices of the Supreme Court na i-declare yung death penalty doon sa nagbigyan ng sentensya, pwedeng ibaba ang death penalty sa life imprisonment. Who may file petition for commutation of sentence. The prison should serve the following bago i-review yung kanyang petition for commutation of sentence. At least 20 years for those sentenced to death which was automatically commuted or resource reclusion perpetua. Kapag death ang sentence automatically commuted or automatically bababa sa reclusion perpetua. Halimbawa, once na convict si Alvaro at ang sentence niya ay death penalty, may bababa na yan automatically sa reclusion perpetua, ranging from 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Ang keyword lang naman ng commutation of sentence ay pagpababa ng sentensya.
Commutation of sentence. By commutation of sentence, dito ay pinapalitan ng presidente o ibinababa ang sentensyang ibinigay ng korte. At dito ay maaaring makumute ang sentensya na ibinigay kapag ang nagrantan ay nasa edad 70 years old pataas. At kapag yung 10 Justice of the Supreme Court ay hindi nakapagpasya na ipahayag ang death penalty sa taong nabigyan ng sentensya, maaari itong ibaba sa life imprisonment. At sino ang pwedeng mag-file ng petisyon para sa commutation of sentence? Dito, ang maaaring mag-file ng petisyon ay dapat at least 17 years for prisoner sentence to 2 or more reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment even if their sentence were adjusted to 40 years in accordance with provision of Article 70 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. Halimbawa, 2 reclusion perpetua ang kanyang na-convict. Dapat mapag-serve siya ng at least 17 years bago i-review yung kanyang petition for commutation of sentence. Dito sa commutation of sentence, ang tatandaan lang dito, ang commutation of sentence ay pagbaba ng sentensya.